magical machines. When the future is the past, they'll be closing in so fast with their magical machines. And everything is clean and nice. No one will ever know. They're in for a surprise. They'll be taken by the magical machines. They'll be put away by artificial means. But they'll be old enough to fight, and they'll be old enough to die. When the future's getting old, we'll forget what we were told about the magical machines. While that heart will go to war, we'll be beaming evermore like a magical machine. And everything is just like then, and everyone will know what happened way back when they were taken by the magical machines. They were put away by artificial means, but they were old enough to fight, and they were old enough to die. They were taken by the magical machine.